Data structure. Data is basically information. So information can be anything, which it can be number, it can be word, it can be character. Structure means way to store or access. That means way we store a certain thing or information is way to store. That is structure. So data structure is basically way to store information. Now algorithm. Algorithm is a method to do certain task or solve a problem. That means method of doing a certain task. Task can be anything. For example, if we are making a coffee, so making coffee is a task. So method for making coffee will be, first we have to add hot water, then we have to add milk powder of a certain amount, then we have to add coffee powder, then we have to add sugar, then we have to mix that coffee well. So that is algorithm for making a coffee, that is doing a certain task. So our certain task here is making a coffee. So algorithm is a method to do certain task or solve problem. Now these are things that we study usually in a data structure. First is stack, then queue, then linked list, true, then tree, then graph, then hashing. So these are things that we usually study in a data structure. So these are structures basically. Now algorithms. Algorithms include searching algorithm, then sorting algorithm, then divide and conquer algorithm. Now dynamic programming algorithm, backtracking algorithm, greedy algorithm, branch and bond algorithm. So there are certain data structures and there are certain algorithms also. So data structure is way to access or store a data. So these structures include stack, queue, linked list, tree, graph, hashing. So these are data structures which are used to store or access information. Now algorithms includes searching, sorting, then divide and conquer, dynamic programming algorithm, backtracking algorithm, greedy algorithm. Now greedy algorithm is about optimization. So what is optimum? So this is an important question. So greedy algorithm discusses about optimization. Now what is optimal? Optimal involves minimum and maximum, then cost, profit, pay, take. So this is optimal. That means minimum cost, then we have to pay, then maximum profit, then we have to take. So that is optimization. Now this is Google definition of optimization. So mathematical optimization means it is an act, process or methodology of making something such as design, system or decision as fully perfect, functional or effective as possible. Specifically, the mathematical procedures such as finding maximum of a function involved in this. Now what is static and what is dynamic? Static versus dynamic. In static, memory allocated at compile time. In dynamic, memory allocated at runtime. Static is simple, then dynamic is complex as command needed for association. Negative is, that means downside of static is not memory efficient, and plus side is on demand, special memory efficient, that is increase or decrease. So dynamic is memory efficient and static is not so memory efficient. Now used for array, and dynamic is used in linked list.